Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to share with you guys simple appetizers that will wow guests while tiding them over. If you need some help picking out your Christmas appetizer recipes this year, then these examples will definitely give you some ideas to get started. I tried to find recipes that are easy and simple to make, also that you would enjoy. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Our first appetizer will be easy patty bricks. Can we all agree that easy patty bricks is one of the easiest things to make? So let's make it. To start, skewer one grape tomato onto a toothpick. Then fold a piece of salami into half. Then fold it into quarters and skewer it below the grape tomato. Lastly, skewer mozzarella ball, being careful not to piece through the bottom. Then place on a serving plate. Repeat until you have used up all the ingredients. Guys, this is one of the easiest recipes and is so versatile. If you add olives, it will be antipasto. If you add basil leaves, there you have caprese. You can make it however you like. These easy patty bricks, guys, are a show-stopping appetizer for any meal. I mean, they are so dang good. I could eat them as a meal and be perfectly satisfied. You can find bite-sized mozzarella at most supermarkets. If they are on the larger side, just slice them in half. You can finish it off with the balsamic glaze. There you have it, guys. Now let's move on to work on our next appetizer. The next appetizer is French baguette with cranberry, orange cinnamon goat cheese, and wild berry lemon thyme goat cheese. Let's make it. First things first, slice baguette straight on or on the bias. It depends how you like it, guys. Also, I recommend using a crusty French baguette, but a fluffier Italian baguette will work too with this recipe. Now arrange slices in a single layer on a greased baking sheet. Then drizzle evenly with olive oil. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake until toasted, about 15 minutes. The croustons are done. We're gonna serve with cranberry, orange, and cinnamon goat cheese, along with wild blueberry, lemon, and thyme goat cheese. Now we're gonna move on to our next appetizer. Our next appetizer is oyster crackers appetizer. This season oyster crackers make an easy snack for any party occasion. They are so addictive. Let's make them. In a large bowl, combine oyster crackers, ranch dressing, and garlic powder. Then using your hands, toss everything together. Add oil and toss to coat. Next, spread the crackers on ungreased sheet pan in a single layer. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes in the preheated oven. Stir it gently after 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, the crackers are ready. Remove from the oven and let it cool before serving. Let's move on to work on our last appetizer. The next appetizer is crackers with toast smoked salmon. Smoked salmon appetizer with dill and cucumber makes a perfect combination of flavors. To start, cut cucumber into slices, then set aside. You will also need the diced cucumber, next, chop dill and add it to a bowl with cream cheese. Remember guys, the cream cheese is at room temperature. Mix all that up, then add diced cucumbers and mix well. Arrange the crackers of your choice on a serving plate. Next, put a dollop, about 1 teaspoon of the mixture on each cracker. Next, place 2 halved cucumber slices on top of the cream cheese mixture, followed by the toast-sized salmon slice. Finish off with a dot of honey mustard sauce and fresh dill. Garnish with rosemary and lemon slices. There you have it guys, smoked salmon appetizer with dill and cucumbers makes a perfect combination of flavors enjoyed with a glass of pasties. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my